Can you tell me how to remember quotient rule?
The quotient rule is the rule for finding the derivative of some function that is the quotient of two other functions.
I don't think I could quote that.
The easiest way to remember the quotient rule is bottoms up. You start with the bottom function, and it'll end with the bottom function squared.
Can I quote you on that?
Sure. The quotient rule itself is derived from the product rule and chain rule.
I don't even know the quotient rule.
The product rule is the formula for finding the derivative of two functions, or more. The derivative of f times g is f derived times g plus f times g derived.
That's 3 times more than I think I could figure out.
If you have three things multiplied by each other and derived, just write out the variables 3 times. Then turn a different variable in the section into a derived symbol.
I can't visualize that.
So f times g times h all derived is f derived times g and h plus f times h times g derived and f times g times h derived.
I've got nothing to make this any simpler.
You can't solve a problem that has a bottom function that equals 0. And if the bottom quotient is 0 on your homework, you'll know it isn't correct.
How is all of this related to the Leibniz rule?
The Leibniz rule is all of what I've been saying, simply a different notation.
It puts a lot of x's and ddxes.
That sounds like a really fancy car, a ddx.
So how can I remember it?
The derivative in Leibniz is d over dx. That doesn't mean you have additional deriving or dividing to do.
What does d over dx to two functions do?
The g times f derived minus f times g derived, divided by g squared.
I'd like to be able to quote you on that for my test.
Don't test me.